This very body is soil. My body, your body, everybody is just soil body. Soil. I came out of soil. Just trying to remind everybody that's true with you also. There's one guy here, I don't know if you saw him, he's all smeared in soil. He's called the soil man. Did you see that guy? So that is a soil man. What are you, I'm asking? Hello? We're all the same thing. So, this is a bit hard to explain logically, but I know now it looks cliched because now you are the earthworm. What do I do? I've been calling myself a worm because I'm made like this. People don't understand this because they always think there is a certain knowledge behind me. No, I got a completely empty head, totally empty. So because of that, I'm like a worm. I've crawled on this planet. I've been here for 6.5 decades. If I don't know how life works within me, I must be either a Martian or a bloody fool. Hello? No, I'm just here. People say, oh, we've also lived on the planet, how come we didn't see it? No, you have not lived on the planet. You have been living in your head. I don't know what the hell is there.
Thank you so much, Sadhguru. Thank you.
Les enfants à venir, celui est tout s'engager, venez danser, chanter.
What happened, huh?
La lé 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 lé, lé 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 lé.
Hey, go!
Lé 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 lé, les enfants à venir, celui est tout s'engager, venez chanter, chanter. La lé 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 lé.